Hey folks, just redoing some of those headlight bezels. I wasn't too sure what I was going to do with them, whether I'm going to leave them white or put the trim around them, you know, whatever. But anyhow, here, I'll show you. This is one that I did, I finished the silver a couple days ago. I mean, it's kind of hard to see. I'll get the camera back here. See, it doesn't look too bad. I would have kept it like this, but I screwed up. I had a bad run there. And, you know, one run right there. I don't know if you can see it. Or whatever. Yeah. And a couple little, you know, screw ups here and there. But I kind of like it. I set it up on the old truck outside there, and it didn't look too bad. I tried setting into the new front clip of mine, but not enough chrome around it or anything to really get a good idea of what it would look like. But anyhow, I just finished painting the second one. And came out really good. This time I took my time, you know, waited 3 or 4 minutes between coats. Didn't have to wait too long because it's 80 degrees in here now, and the paint's drying pretty good. And underneath the chrome, well, where everything's all masked off there, it's the same white trim as what this one is, which kind of looks really cool. Excuse that really bright light. That's a 500 watt work light. Gotta get one of those fluorescent tube ones here soon. But yeah, I mean, like I said, this one's not perfect, but I'll redo that little piece down there and whatever, you know, mask the chrome off once it dries and shoot it, or just do the whole thing over again. But yeah, so I'll leave this one for now. I'm not going to rush it and take everything off it by now, you know. I don't know, have something screw up on me. So I'll leave it for now, and I'll take it off tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes from there, and I'll show you the finished product. Hopefully it'll turn out really good. The chrome, that paint looks really cool. Like, I mean, it's not chrome, but it's looking okay. And yeah. Well, okay, folks. Well, till then, till tomorrow, we'll see what the end result looks like. You guys take care, eh? Have a good day. Enjoy the weather. It's raining here right now, but hell, it's winter time. Okay, build on, folks. Morning, folks. Well, here's the other one. I just unwrapped it, and it came out pretty good. No big mess ups or anything like that. You know, like yeah, it all came good around the edges. Yeah, so I might just redo this one. Or at least maybe do the white, like I said, because of that. But yeah, kind of cool. Like I said, it's not going to be a Concord paint job or anything like that. So, but yeah, looks pretty cool. I think it goes like that. Nope, where's the tab? Yeah, I think it goes, sits in there like that. So, I don't know, maybe I'll take it out here and show you. Do. She can't. Can't really see too much the way it is right now. Like I said, nothing to contrast against. But yeah, it should be pretty cool. Yeah, look at that, eh? Can you beat that? You know, but yeah, everything's just waiting to get painted. But yeah, no more film in the ground. Okay, well, like I said, it's a short little jog, eh? So that's what it'll look like. No. Side by side. They don't look too bad, eh? But like I said, I'll fix that one little goof, and that'll be all. Like I said, if I don't like it, I can change it, or I can use the other one. See, I've got a set here that's all wrapped up here, and they're done in the original colors. So as you can see, I've got all those parts all wrapped up in old t-shirts and everything like that. They've been all redone. So till later, or when I get my ass in gear to do more stuff, I'll let you know. Okay, bye for now. Build on. Here's the first one. I've repainted the white. Don't know if you can see very well. I've got the sun right behind me. But yeah, you know, the white came out. Came out pretty cool. I hope. No runs. I might let it set up for another few minutes. Just got about 2 good coats on it. And I'll probably put, I don't know, maybe one more, so you can't really see a lot. Try and bring it out here. So, I wish I could see something. Yeah, so right now it's just, like I said, it's all just white again. Hopefully there's no white on the chrome. Okay, I'll keep you updated. Go in, have a cup of tea, and come back out. Okay, ciao for now. Well, folks, just unwrapped the one I just painted. And it came out, actually, really good. Got a daylight here. Yeah, you know. No runs or anything like that, eh? Yep, came out really decent. Yeah, so now I got 2 of them side by side. Well, maybe seem better that way. I don't know. But yeah, I really like that white trim around it. Came out really good. Okay, well, like I said, not much. A little something. Okay, ciao for now and build on.